In this video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu on Docker and run GUI apps on a Mac host machine. Alright, let's first install XCodes. Search for XCodes and download and install. This software will let you run X11 apps on macOS. During the installation, XCodes will ask for the admin password. Once installation is complete, make sure to restart the computer for this app to be fully functional. Next up is to install Docker. Search for Docker and download the appropriate version for your Mac. I have a M1 MacBook Air, so I'll download the one that says Apple chip. When download is complete, move the app to the application folder and launch the app. It will take us some time for Docker to load. When Docker launches, click this setting icon. Click on Resources tab and assign resources to the Docker as you see fit. For GUI, you probably need at least 4 gigs of memory. When complete, apply and restart Docker to take effect. Again, this will take some time. Alright, now let's run Ubuntu on Docker. For that, we'll run instructions on the terminal. Open up a terminal and verify that Docker is running properly. To run Ubuntu, we'll execute docker run command. For GUI to work, however, we'll need to set its display environment variable and need to know the IP address of the host machine. For that, fire up another terminal and run ifconfig en0, from which you can get the IP address of the Mac, the host machine. Come back to the previous terminal and execute docker run -it -e display equals the IP address :0 --name Ubuntu. If Docker is not currently running, you'll see this error message. Make sure Docker is running and rerun the same command. Now you're on Ubuntu's terminal. Let's install a GUI app, say Firefox, using apt-get. When Firefox installation is complete, try running Firefox. I'm getting an error because there is one last thing we need to do. Open up Mac's XCodes. Go to Preference and the Security tab. Make sure to enable connection from the network client. In XCodes terminal, type in xhost IP address to allow the IP address for X11. Okay, now we are ready to run GUI app from Ubuntu. In the Docker terminal, type in Firefox and voila, Firefox app running. Alright, hope this is helpful and I'll see you next time.